I don't think investing in a panel is setting about quick and cheap. It's about what's the best. If you're going to have something, you want it to last, and this has got a guaranteed life of 25 years. So I think getting the best possible panel is what everyone should do. Well, I did a lot of research. There was Choice put out a wonderful research document which had been done with the CSIRO for 12 months. And they had a numerous amount of panels, and that was one of the reasons we got, in fact that was the major reason we got the panel. So that's why we did it. No other reason. It was the best. You paid for it, sure, but it works, and it works well. I did about 3 months of research, and I also spoke to one of my friends who's a metallurgist, and he agreed with me. And in fact, he's got the same panels on his roof. So I wasn't going to choose a cheap panel, I was going to choose the best panel. The person who put the solar panels in lived in town here. The main reason was, I think everyone forgets, is that if you have a problem, you want it fixed quickly. If you want it fixed quickly, you want people who are in your area, who work with the people who produce the stuff or put it together, and you need to get them to come and fix the problem straight away. And the guy here, Josh, is an incredible worker. Did a great job on the roof, and you know, he lets me know. Even when we were away and I'd turned my internet off, he told me, something's wrong with your panel. I said, no, I've just turned my internet off. He said, well, okay, fine, no, we've got that. But I had an option of 3 installers that I was looking at. 2 of them were, one was interstate, one was up in Sydney. Now, if I had a problem, how long was it going to take me to get it fixed? Here, the installer is available straight away. So it's really important that you get an installer who lives near you or around the area.